Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of the Trading Coach Podcast. Once again, in today's episode, I'm going to share with you an interview with an aspiring trader, a scientist who has gotten into trading and is working towards bigger goals and bigger aspirations of owning his own lab and giving back to his country. It's a great conversation, talks about a lot of the ups and downs that happen in a trading journey. This trader was with another program prior to being with us, and there were some things that didn't go as well as he hoped, and now he's looking for a fresh restart. So I think it'll be valuable to see how that restart is taking place, especially if you're someone who is in a similar situation where you're feeling stuck or unsupported. So check out the interview. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll talk to you at the end.
How you doing, Clive?
I'm very good, Jason. Good morning.
Good morning. Nice to meet you.
Good.
Clive, tell us a little bit about yourself for those who haven't had the pleasure of talking to you inside the platform yet.
Okay, well, I'm brand new. I joined the platform on my birthday, which is last week Friday, because I've been interested in trading for a while, and I've dabbled, did a trading course, which is basically, those ones where they give you an indicator. So I did the course, so they give you an indicator and you're away. But I need to know from my mind a bit more than just follow the indicator. Eventually the indicator stopped working anyway, so that was pointless. Right. But my background is I'm Jamaican. I've been in this country now about 20 years. I came here to do my master's in biotechnology, so I'm a scientist. I work in a lab. I've been working in labs for about 25, 26 years. At the moment, I work in the NHS. I do biochemical testing. But since the whole pandemic thing, I've been doing molecular biology. So my background is science. So I'm used to analyzing and looking at charts and looking at curves.
Awesome. You're a geek like me.
Yeah, I'm a I'm a weirdo. But like everything else, everybody has dreams, goals, aspirations that they want to achieve in life. I'm the same. I've always been attracted to cars, mechanical work. So although I work in a lab and I'll do lab work, I've always been keen to do more mechanical work. That's why I got into labs in the first place, to do mechanical work, but it's more technical work now.
Yeah.
I would like to, I'm 45 now. And I would like to prioritize my dreams, my goals, my ambitions, which is, since I've been a teenager, I've been in looking at markets, but mostly it was because of my mother, who is an investor. So the whole reason I even went to university was because my mother invested in shares, kept shares, and we always used to check the stock prices on Sundays in the newspaper, look at it like that. But I'm more attracted to technical stuff. So technical analysis is what I enjoy. Yeah. And I think I have a knack for it. I hope I have a knack for it. And I would just like to be around people who know what they're doing so that I can know how to do it as well. Because I believe that if you're going to know something, be around people who do it day in, day out. I always say, ask a fisherman about fish. You people are fishermen. I want to be a fisherman.
Amazing. And look, I've got no doubt that with your background that you're capable of jumping straight in and really developing something remarkable in your trading career. But what would you say was the driver to get into it? I know you're fascinated with technical analysis, and your mum was checking their stock prices and things like that. Is that kind of what's led you into it, or is there kind of more? Is it more of a kind of lifestyle or income driven?
It is income, and I think it is, like I said before, it is income and the lifestyle that the income would provide. I do like my life. I earn enough. I can feed myself and take care of my children. But there's always things that you want to do. Working a 9-to-5 job is not going to provide. Like, I want my own lab, and I want my own lab back in, because I'm Jamaican. I want to go back to Jamaica and have my own lab. And I bought land up there. I'd like to develop it. Everybody has dreams.
Yeah.
I live my dreams. Absolutely. So it's basically the income that it will provide and they there is a is it a joy when you get a trade right? Is that a feeling?
Yeah, that
Yeah,
never really goes.
yeah. So when I done my technical analysis right, I've checked that it's gonna go down, and I predict it's gonna go down. I set my stop loss, set my target, and it hits the target. It's a good feeling.
Yeah, yeah. Excellent. So, like, where are you at right now then? You said you've been through another program, you used an indicator, it didn't work. You obviously had the kind of insight and understanding of what trading is to realize that didn't work anymore. And now you're in tier one. What is it you're working on right now? Like what's
So basically, I've done the emergence. I've done the first one, which is the intro. I've done the price action, and now I'm on price action 2.0.
Right. Cool. That's a good one.
Yeah. So I log into the live trading sessions in the mornings.
Yeah.
Follow as much as I can. Obviously, I've downloaded the Enigma, and I'm trying to work out about that. I put it on the chart because I use MT4. I put it on the chart, and I see levels and things, but obviously I need somebody to say to me, this is what that means. This purple pattern is cipher, this orange pattern is butterfly, this green pattern is whatever.
Yeah. You'll learn all about those in the mastery course.
Yeah, so it's basically to vomit out everything that I've learned and then to start again fresh with people who can provide the mentoring, the one-to-one. If I can message you and talk to you and ask you, what do you think of this? What do you think of that? Am I doing this right? Am I doing that wrong? Or what do you think?
No, you've got that here, right?
Yeah, I see that already because people are really volunteering suggestions, ready to talk. Hi, good morning. How are you? How's it going? So I really feel good that I made the right decision.
Amazing. Yeah, it is like that here. It's not like you're not just part of a forum, you're actually part of a community where people are all working on becoming better and want other people to do better. I would say that's like the core values at tier one. That's what it's known for.
That's all I want to do is I don't know, so I know I want to know. I don't want to be around people who do know.
Excellent. Amazing. Well, you're in the right place, man. I'm confident. So you've told us about some of your kind of aspirations and goals. What's kind of your weaknesses then? What's something that could potentially hinder you or get in your way? What do you struggle with?
Okay, so what I struggle with is taking profits too early,
right,
and letting the losers run. So instead of just chopping it,
you want to flip that on its head and do the other way around.
So I move the stop loss back. I say, I'll just give it a little bit of time. And then when I see a little small profit, I grab it. So as you can imagine, 2 steps forward, 9 steps back.
Yeah. Are you trading live at the moment or not?
I do have money in my trading account, but when I signed up to tier 1, I just decided that I don't want to make any more mistakes.
Good.
Now let me just stop. Let's just stop.
Yeah,
let me just stop.
No need.
The funny thing is, although they say 90% of traders lose 90% of the money, for some reason, I am on break even. I lose, then I win back, and then I give it back, and then I donate to the market, as you say. And then I make something, and then I donate it back. So for the five years, I'm basically on break even. I haven't lost, but then I haven't won.
Okay, well, that's not the worst position you can be in, but I would definitely say, like, don't place another trade live until you're happy with it. You know, you understand and you're happy with how you're going to manage it. Cool, man. So that's really good to hear. Obviously, it's great to learn a little bit about you and what your motivations are, what your aspirations are, what your goals are, and where you're at right now, what could potentially get in the way. The whole point of this accountability session is to share that with the group, which you have. And now everyone can reach out a hand. If anyone can resonate or relate to Clive as well, or in a similar situation, hook up with Clive and maybe become like a little accountability partner. You can bounce off each other.
So I can have somebody to say, oh, I'm thinking of closing out this trade, and they'll be like, no, you need to let the trade run.
Yeah.
Or, you know what I mean? Don't put another trade, or don't chase, there's somebody, because when the other organization, there were people who were there on like a helpline, but it was really hard to get them. And they were very helpful. And I think after 6 months, they shut down the the company. So.
Oh, oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it was called Academy of Financial Trading, and then
Right.
they got taken over by another, and Shaw Trading, Shaw Training, wherever they are. So the indicator just stopped working one day.
Right. Well, there's plenty of those types of firms out there, and unfortunately, they're more attractive to people than us because we tell you you've got to do some work, and yeah.
It's not easy to make a living from this thing.
It's not.
You-
It's not easy to make a living from anything unless
Yeah,
you
true.
go and stack shelves in Tesco.
I used to pack lorries. I've cleaned toilets.
Yeah.
I've done all of it. You know what I mean? So there is no easy way.
No.
So I'd like to learn what I'm doing. Maybe eventually get funded, and then sky's the limit.
Absolutely, man. That's a great note to finish on as well. Sky is the limit. So it's been great chatting to you, Clive. Really nice to meet you, mate. And I look forward to watching your progress in the platform. Maybe booking another session in like 8 weeks from now, just to see where you're at. That would be cool.
Okay.
And thanks for coming on and sharing that with us.
Thank you, bro. Appreciate it, man.
Take care, mate. Have a good weekend. All right. That is Clive. Really nice aura. Good attitude towards trading. And now hopefully he's in a good place to stop trading money and wasting money in the markets and go into a professional approach. If you guys want to put your name down for one of these sessions, I highly recommend you do. I'm just going to read out some of the books. Market Wizards, and that's it. Is that it? No one's read any trading books. All right. Naomi says, maybe, no maybe about it. You will. Yeah, be careful how you use your different language patterns. Good point. All right, well, guys, there is a book club going on at the moment. If you want to hear more about the book club, you can reach out to Naomi or Dion, who are both in the trading communities, and there will be a time where we're just reading trading books, investing books, mindset books, and all different books that are going to help you grow and develop. So if you're interested in joining a book club, get in touch with Naomi and Dion. Until Monday, when we're back for the Q&A, we'll see you guys inside the platform. Have a great rest of your day and weekend, and I'll see you then.
Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. Again, accountability sessions take place on our platform each and every Friday. If you want to do one yourself or just hop in and observe, you can do so as part of your risk-free 14-day trial membership over at Tier 1 Trading. Just head over to www.tier1trading.com, click the button that says Start My Trial Membership, get on the platform, interact, download some software, take some courses, and really immerse yourself in the community that is Tier 1. Looking forward to seeing you there.